All right, last one. So we're going to go over dictionaries real quick. So what's a dictionary and why would we use it? Dictionaries versus lists. Well, dictionaries store a pair of values. It's called a dictionary because you can think about it like looking up a word in the dictionary. So you look up the word and then associated with it is its definition. So there's a pair there. There's the key, which is the word, and the value, which is the definition. This is as opposed to lists, which just store single values. So dictionaries, you can look up things by key, just like I mentioned, but lists you just look up by the index where they're at. So let's do an example of a dictionary. A dictionary is made with curly braces, as you can see here, and then it's made by saying what the key is first, what you want to be able to look up with, and then a colon, and then what the value is. So I made a dictionary of colors using hex color codes, which you may have seen in one of your turtle assignments. And we'll be able to see how the keys are mapped to the color values and how we can get the values for looping through all the colors. So let's go ahead and run the program here. Okay, so this first loop here loops through the colors dictionary, and every thing that's iterated is the key. So we're printing out the key, tangerine, and then the value is being retrieved by doing colors, and then square brackets. Colors is the name of our dictionary. And then square brackets, and then the key. So for example, I could say colors, and then type in mint for the key, and it's going to return the hex color code for mint. So this is how you would get something by key from a dictionary. Get a value by key. Okay, let's go ahead and continue and watch the this loop, which is just going to loop through the values, so all the hex color codes, and it's going to print them out, and then we'll see what the turtle looks like. So as you can see, it printed out the hex colors while the turtle was drawing each different color. So that's dictionaries for you. Have a good day.